cheese sandwich.
Hi, my name is Gabriel. I am going to show you how to make a double-decker grilled cheese. The materials you need is spatula, butter, cheese, bread, and a grill. Let's get cooking. Step 1. Turn on the grill. Step 2. Melt the butter. Toasted bread. Time to flip your bread. Time to add the cheese. Get melty, get melty. Now it's time to add the middle bread. Add a cheesy piece. Now I made a double-decker grilled cheese. Let's find some friends. I like sharing with my friends. Let's eat. This is delicious.
I bomb.
This is good.
Thanks for watching my video. I hope you make it at home.
Grilled cheese, if you please.